Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle guys. If you want to know how to suspect if you have a bad outer tie rod, stay with us and we will explain guys how to know if a tie rod is bad. So we're going to cover all that today. We'll explain how a bad tie rod is super dangerous for your vehicle and yourself and how you can end up in a crash. So make sure to stay until the end. All that will be covered in today's video. In addition guys, okay, let me introduce you quick to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything on it. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy any parts, tools, outer tie rod for a great price and quick shipping, we'll share the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our parts and tools from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Let's explain now guys. What is a tie rod? Okay. You have two tie rods actually, outer and inner tie rod on your vehicle, and that's pretty simple guys. Okay, the tie rods connect the rack and pinion, the power steering, to the wheel hub, to the steering knuckle, so when you turn the steering wheel, your wheels will steer as well. This is known as an outer tie rod. Okay, right here, that's outer tie rod. This is inner tie rod. You can see we're turning the steering wheel now, okay, and the inner tie rod is moving. If we have the outer tie rod attached, it will be right here, screwed to that one, and it will move the wheel left and right when you move the steering wheel. Now let's go all the way to the right, all the way more to the left, more. Okay, and now let's explain the symptoms of bad outer tie rod guys. Number one, that seal. Okay, if you see it cracked, broken, replace the tie rod immediately. That means that the tie rod is already bad or it will go bad pretty soon, because bad seal will let dust, dirt, water get inside, it will hit the ball joint, and that will lead guys, okay, to a failing tie rod, which if it fails guys, what can happen? You will lose your steering. One of the wheels will start going this way, the other one this way, and you can end up in an accident or not being able to steer the vehicle, which is super dangerous. Another thing guys, you may have even a perfectly fine seal, that's not the criteria, but you may have a play in that ball joint because they get old, they get wear, and as a result, okay, I can definitely feel a little bit of play, and that play, okay, you can feel it in the steering wheel. A little bit of play when you, or if you have in the steering wheel, let's say you can move a little bit the steering wheel left, right, and your wheels will not move at all. That means that most likely you have a play somewhere in the steering system, and make sure it's not the tie rod, but whatever it is, you need to fix it immediately. Another thing, okay, you may notice that the tires on your vehicle, okay, get eaten unevenly, okay, uneven tire wear. This is because when the tie rod is bad, it will allow extra movement of the wheel, and the wheel will go left, right, and that can lead to uneven tire wear. It can also make your car unstable because that extra play will result guys, okay, into actually your car kind of like floating, wanting to go different directions. So those are very common. And another thing, you may hear like a rattle noise when you steer or when you go through bumps, okay, potholes and things like that. So number one, check the seal, check for play guys, and that's how you can tell if it's good or bad. So this one, okay, you can see the seal is good, but we have play, and that play is not good guys, so we need to replace it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.